Okay, number two is really not that bad. I'm looking at it. I'm seeing F, I'm seeing G, and F and G have the same domain ranges, by the way. So F and G, they're both lines, by the way. What do I know about these things? The domain of these things is all real numbers, both of them, by the way. There's no trouble there. And the range of these things is all real numbers. They're just simple lines. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do F of G. And what is that going to look like? Well, its domain, that's the easy part right now, is just simply minus infinity to infinity. I could write this one down. It's minus infinity to infinity. But let's write down F of G of x. What's that going to be? F of G of x. All right, I got to write this down. It's F of, what's G? I'm looking at it. It's 2x plus 1 over 3. What does F do to that? Now here comes a tough thing. And I'm going to write down 1/4. I'm looking at this over here. And then it's twice the argument. I'm going to write that down for you. 2x plus 1 over 3. And then minus 3. Yeah, I got to do that. And what do you get over there? Well, let's see. I'm going to be careful now. The first term, you get a 12. Then you get 2 times 2x is 4x plus 2 minus 3/4. Common denominator 12. What do you get there? 4x. Let's see, 2 minus 9 is minus 7. All right, so I'm going to do this over here, and that's going to be 4x minus 7 over 12. All right, let's just take a look and see how we did. All right, this is what we're trying to encourage you to do. I got the domain down. That was the easy part. And I got this part down as well, 4x minus 7 over 12. Let's do the next one. And what's that going to be? It's g of f. Let's write that down. G of f. And you'll develop more confidence over time by doing things. What's f? Well, let's write it down. It's going to be g of f, which is 2x minus 3 over 4. What does g do to the argument? Well, it's 1/3. And then it's going to be twice the argument. I'll write that down for you. Plus 1. All right, got to do that, and then we'll check the key. What do you get there? Well, let's see. You get 1/12 again in the first term. You get 4x minus 6. And then you get plus 1/3. Well, I'm going to add that together. Looks relatively simple. It would be a 12, common denominator. You get 4x. You get minus 6 plus 4, which is minus 2. I'm going to reduce that because it just doesn't look right to me by dividing top and bottom by 2. That would give 2x minus 1 over 6. Going to circle that. And, you know, basically, I know the domain of it. We did this before. We're agreeing with that. And then I arrived at this over here, which is the composition g of f. And they said it's 2x minus 1 over 6. And I said it's that. Good to move on to the next problem. Thank you.